Hey everyone! Welcome to today's stream. I hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I am back with Gremlin Dev Day. Yeah. But yeah. How are you all doing? I'm hoping today is gonna be a relatively smooth stream today. Also, thanks for the first redeeming stuff for Ghost. Oh wait, I forgot to do something. Manage rewards. Forgot to accept stuff. Mine. Yeah. So, what have you... Pardon me. Couldn't even stop to mute the mic, but happened so fast. But yeah, what have you all been up to, today? Today, for me, I'm going to be, working on quests and quest interactables. This is a bucket.
Dear God.
There's more.
No.
Thanks, Ghost. Yeah. It may take me a moment to get going because EP brain. Also sorting out a little bit of my food. But yeah, today I'm going to be working on trying to get a quest type system going. I'm probably going to... Frick. Brain's not working right now. See, frick, brain. Please work. So yeah, right now what I'm figuring out is how I'm gonna build a quest manager. First thing I need to do is create an interface, base script. C#. Gonna do interactables. Oh wait, I forgot to put an I in there. Extra I. Rename I interactables. Yeah, hi Athena. She's lying under my desk staring into my soul right now. Right, let's put the second I in. There we go. So, first thing I need to do is I need to switch this from a class to an interface. I can rip most of this out. First, I need a public void. We'll do a primary action as our first one. Secondary action. So there'll be the left bumper and right bumper. And what we'll also have is a public string for the info. We'll put that, but instead I'll call this actually, we'll put interactable name. And then... Maybe not this? A specific name? Yeah, if we set an interactable type, interactable name, trying to think. Yeah, the abstract class has requests here. So, what else does it have? Also, let's break this up a little bit so I can see what the heck I'm doing. Double X found, X, Quest is active. Okay. That's that one. So if all our quests have this, we'll do something else actually. We'll do a public bool. Abstract. No, not quest name. Bool. Of. And we'll do. Quest is active. Wait. Assess full active states. So if we go to the egg hunt here, this won't be implemented. So implement abstract class. So now we have this here. And then we shall do a set quest is active by this. I did not mean to pin that. It's not gonna work. I realize where I messed this up. So we'll do this, and then we'll pass through a ball of set quest date. So then we'll go back over here. Quest is active. Is active. And then we'll have all right, whoops. Little things I keep missing. So yeah, that should work in theory there. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to create a quest giver script as the next part. And so I shall call one quest giver. we need to implement the interface. So now we go all our things here. So also, a couple things we'll need to do is hey Tim, it's all good. I'm having an interesting time right now dealing with quests. So first thing, two of the first things we'll need is the game state UI manager, which is currently dealing with all of this stuff, and the quest giver. So first off, we need a Actually, no, we don't need this to be serialized. Instead, what we need is to manage. Let's say something like that. So here we go. What we'll also throw in here is got a survey questionnaire from my contract agency. I hope I wasn't like too honest in it. Just every dark thought you just yeet at it. Just like, yes, this is what I really think of you. So I'm just in the what could we do to improve? Not come after my kidneys. Oh yeah, I have a little rant in my head right now. Of something not massive, but it's frustrating to see. So just curious, who here knows about Unity having a China division? Like it's technically its own company while being still tied to the global one. A Unity China branch. So effectively, as I found out, this branch has its own CEO, its own board, these kinds of things. Yeah. So there's currently a little bit of a race on, as far as I'm aware, in some game engines, since Unreal Engine announced it with Unreal Engine 5. But the Epic developed Unreal Engine's Nanite and Lumen features, which sound great on paper. Basically, they allow you to have high quality stuff, but generates twist it into a lower grade render without you having to downgrade it yourself. In theory, it's potentially nightmare fuel on processing, but also quite potentially, it's also potentially quite performative. Unity China is developing their own version of Nanite and Lumen, and these tools are separate from global Unity. It's like, can you give us some of these, please? You know, why hold it to yourself? Because bear in mind, they still get the base Unity engine. They get everything that's in the 2022 LTS Unity 6. They'll get all of that. Also adds in 3 minutes. But they're developing independent features that is only for their version. And also they've already rebranded their Unity versions to like Unity 1 and stuff, because of its in how unique this version is technically is with the features. And the only way to get your mitts on it is through a VPN. Right, okay. Rest is active. True. Wait, no, I think I can do this. So a little internal rant of mine for today. As far as I'm aware, that's the only one. I really want to rebrand that the coffee bot, to say other things. Yeah, what is everyone up to? Is expecting this? No. Yeah. I would try not to think about it too much, to be honest. Personally, I would recommend Sleep Ghost. I didn't hold back since I'm not a contractor anymore. Just to hope it doesn't bite me somehow. Yeah, because it's never good to burn bridges. But you don't want to be too light with it. Otherwise he'll just do shit again.
Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die.
Thanks, I'll give a treat now.
Dumb ways to die.
Invite a psycho killer inside.
But yeah, welcome to... Hold on a minute. Hold on. I just realized something. Da-da-da. He set a new stream goal for the follower, for the Twitch follower. Set up a new follower goal, so now we're at to go into 250. It's really appreciate you all. Hopefully this will finally allow me to add sound alert back in. Okay, maybe that will... But it's so small! Let me double test this.
It's wizard time, motherfucker! Fireball!
There we go, got it back finally. Finally got it to work. I'm gonna try and get another one that I've wanted to add in for a while. Please let me do this. Now that should be a new sound alerts for all that. I'm really sorry for the distraction. Some of these hadn't been working and I finally got it to work on re-adding them back. No idea what happened to the Fireball one in the first place. Let's think of a better way to do this. Right, egg hunt. We'll go here. Change this to back to a bull.
It's wizard time, motherfucker! Fireball!
Yeah, it just wasn't working on re-adding it back for a while. Same for the one I just added into the channel points, which anyone that's watched Has Been Hotel will know exactly where it's from. Nah, I wanted it to be around. But it just died. Some of Soundless just died on the sides. It's like, huh? Yeah, I had to try and figure out. But some of the stuff has been needing reauthorizing. Access to my Twitch lately, like the coffee bot. And it just came to get a hug and immediately turned down the volume dial on my headphones. Then you, what are you up to? You gonna say anything to the chat? Why does it give you more treats, huh? You want all the treats. It's bad enough that there's more snacks for you in here and barely any for me. In my own room. Am I gonna have to make a cupboard for you, huh? The Athena snack cupboard. Yep, I just got the bigger cuddle now. Head on the arm. You're the treat gremlin, aren't you? There's like 10, 12 bags of her treats in here. 3 of them are all of the same type. Yeah, I know you'd eat them all in a heartbeat. And she's like, I'll start right now. She's not letting me go, by the way. She is, now that she's getting cuddles, she is holding me hostage. She can be loving when she wants to, but also she can stop me from what I need to do at the same time. Might as well be more than that, because I just found a duck fillets recently. I don't have any on my lap. And she's like, why not? What are you up to? What, you want to go past? She's scheming. The ears are up and she's watching. She's looking around. That's Athena's scheme mood. Look at these pointy ears. Huh? Where's your snake? Yeah, where's your snake? I'm gonna beat you to it. There we go. Well, you let me shoot treats as well, then. Yeah, she's in playful mood right now. Take it, then. Take it. She won't take it off me because she wants to play fight with me. I'll give her one of the dark pellets. She really likes these. The left hand side of an assignment must be a variable, property, or index. Okay. Sit. Here we go. Yeah, one plan I'm doing is but yeah. Yeah, let's delete fast. Doing some cleanup quickly. Oh, is that the thing I'm doing? Oh my god, it's the one... It's the one symbol issue. As soon as I saw what I did wrong on a thing, my brain's just like, don't fucking tell me. Hmm. Well, that's not... Right, no, what I've got... I will do void. Rule. No, that's not working. I'll look at Transact, by the way, everyone. Okay, so... You know, okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a ball and storing it. Press to manage. Oh yeah. What's this error here? Okay, I've got that there. That's not working. Crap. Damn it. Yes, hi, Athena. Who bonked? Thanks for bonk. Sorry, my brain's deep in codes info. Trying to find stuff. Ah, frick. I hate when I hit wolves like this. It's pain. Hey, Metalis! Sorry, I was nose deep in stuff about abstract classes. Because what I'm trying to do here is, create this here. And check it here. As like a middle ground between the player and quest, the quest itself. But how are you?
Agadoo.
Thanks, girls. Be one of those days. Yeah, everyone make sure to go check out Metalis, by the way. They're a great streamer, and also they have interesting goodies on their website. But I've been a pain in their butt about, a little bit of, me, by being interested in some stuff. But, Metalis had to go sniff out shipping to where I am. Because of me. So yeah, make sure to go check him out because he's a really nice person. And a great streamer. Right, okay. I have no idea what I'm doing here. Because I have no idea how I'm gonna get this override outside of here. Right, okay, what I think I can do is, if I yet again change this back to a friggin' boolean, rip that out. Power. Thank you so much, Metalis, for gifting 2 tier 1 subs. My brain genuinely broke. Is that a new sub icon that Streamlabs is doing? But seriously, thank you so much, Metalis. My brain genuinely broke for a moment. Ah. Right, okay. So if I change it back to this again, that works here. Egg Hunt needs a return. Quest is active. And we'll change this back into bull. Because what we can do here is... on the start here, what we'll do is set quest is active equals true here. Then maybe? No, we'll just call it. So that will return that. So yeah, that should set that up. So yeah, if that's active, let's do that for now because I don't know. Else if not, it's crack it's active. You want to run quest to manage dot start. Hey Gemini, how are you? No, not that. Public. Abstract. Void. Of quest. Start. Because we want the quest start in all of them. So instead, I am going to change this to a public override. That does that. So we can do that. Yeah, that's fair. That's me most days. As I started typing what I'm thinking about rather than what I'm actually need to. There we go. So, what is everyone up to? Athena, what are you ransacking? That's fair, Matthias. Yeah, hi, Athena. She's got a snake again. You're in a very playful mood, aren't you? Yeah, hi. Don't give me that look, madam. Take it. What do you tell me now? You're in menace mood today, aren't you? Yeah, Athena's in menace mood. And I'm in slow EP mood. Yeah. Okay, so also, I need to make sure no one got up to some mischief on a certain website while I was offline. Because I found out someone did. Which is why coffee is around so much. Again. Okay, no one got up to some mischief while I was offline. Right, okay, so if that's the primary action there. Okay, so we have a character name here. We'll actually want this to be a serialized field. Get my naming convention going. So then we can go... Also, I need to do this. Yes, a serial field. Yeah, hi, Athena. Guys, Athena's trying to mug me for treats. Come here. Come here. Why are you giving me dodgy side glances? I've just done something that she's... To be honest, a lot of times she's curled up asleep or off doing some shenanigans. I've just done something that's just baffled her. Sometimes I'll take her collar off so to give her neck a bit of breathing, and she'll go completely cross-eyed over it. Like sniffing the collar and stuff. But I rarely do it, so she goes really so she gets mega confused. Don't you? Oh wait, I just realized we hit the sub goal. Thanks to Matas' help. You're not stealing your collar. She is now actively trying to steal it off me. What? What are you up to? Oh, no, if you're gonna nom it, then no. You're not having it. Come here. She's looking at me cross-eyed. Right, okay, so if this is requests, so we've got that called now. I don't think we'll need a fixed update for this. I'm not sure if I'll have a dialogue in this, but... we'll set this to false. Right, a couple of things I may do over here on the UI canvas. Right. Okay, so I'm actually gonna nick this from the Lost Souls. I've got Blender up in the background. In case I wanted to get to work on stuff in there. So let me know if the music ends up being too loud or too quiet. But this is what... Also, I need to get rid of that. This is my current Blender setup at the minute. Canvas. Clamp UI. Tron Explorer. Yeah, what I need to do here on the overlay camp first is add another text mesh Pro. We'll call this... I don't know. They seem to be a bit cold. They don't like me very much. Okay, we're gonna do UI. Just realized this is overriding the player. The player's overriding it. Okay, no worries, girls. I just want to drag mine into there. That does UI. And that's the main camera. That's a volume mask, not the curl. Yeah, why is... Yeah, it's just the player. The fuck? So, weirdly, the plane distance from the camera, from the UI camera, actually determines whether stuff overlaps or not. Which is interesting. Oh fuck. Whoops. I told him to just close my Twitch tab by accident. Whoops. 65. What's that currently? 70. So we'll set that to 60, let's say. This one can sit there. This one's gonna need to be a lot bigger. Okay, we've got this. Let's go underlay. Point 3. Yeah, let's go about 0.3. Yep. As in 3 minutes, everyone. Negative 0.85. That has been helpless always. Now, the thing I'm questioning is... I wonder if I can set an array of strings. I say I create a 3 sets of strings. Oh. Yes. I have no idea if this will work or not. So this is my placeholder here. Just gonna do this to see if it will expand. No, it doesn't expand, it just keeps going on. So I may need to write stuff outside of Unity so that way I know what I'm writing before I put it in. Yeah. Frick. What's everyone up to? There's a thing touchy about the renewal situation. I got a response that they can't negotiate the rent in case it increased, but I want to push back on it still. Yeah. Because it is still pretty shitty that they're charging current customers something, but not the newbies as well. From what you mentioned last night. Okay, so what we need is if a quest is active, if it's not active, and then if the quest is achieved. And what I also need to declare in each of these is an int that's called current page. Yeah. No, I need to store this elsewhere. Because if I'm re-establishing it each time, it's not gonna work. What if I created... Well, create another shrink here of... Okay, but I have that there. I might need to stretch my legs and stuff in a minute. Does anyone get that, like, empty, like an empty numb is the best way I can think to describe it, feeling where, like, you just can't get comfortable? Like, you feel a numbness, but you feel nothing at the same time. It's weird. I don't know, it's a very weird feeling that I'm experiencing. Like, my brain's all over the place. I'm gonna quickly, Okay, I'll knock it up to 20. We decided to name it what I have, because basically the next goal I think it is for me to be able to post a new emote is 20. I think that's for next one. Why Metallics? Thank you so much. You're just waiting for opportunities of shenanigans, aren't you? Thank you so much. So that's now... Ellie, Gemini, Raymond, no, Sandrine, yeah, no, it's all good. I really appreciate this. And Elsie, I don't know how to say that one. But seriously, thank you so much, Metalis. Fina, what are you doing? Why are you shoving me? Huh? Oh, you want to go past? Brain. So... yeah, I need to keep an eye on the dialogue page. So what I need to do is... If in dialogue, to do something in here, else this. Right, the first part is we need to get current page number. Equals 0. Wait, no. Yes. That's actually... no, I'll keep that in. Because that'll be my backup. Then we want... dialogue to print to equal... I don't want to get a component of a string. Else, so for this part here, current page equals current page plus 1, so that's adding 1 to it. Oh, right, so I can just shorthand this to friggin' add equal 1. There we go. So yeah, I was just refreshing myself on that little thing. Because to be honest, I haven't touched this project in 6 days. Just a lot been going on. Metalis has been going nuts with gifting subs. So we're already halfway to, you have a little bit. Nah, to be honest, I hate to see one, so you're actually going nuts with, gifting subs, sis. Okay, I need to find something quickly. There's a... Would it be... Right, okay, so we have this here, then we can do dialogue prints equals there we go. I'm gonna copy this if statement here. Yeah, you too, Metalis. Okay, so we're at this point. So we have this here. Does not equal... Right, because this quest is active, we don't want this to be the start one. We want this to be, in progress. This one's right here for the quest start. Let's add this in here onto the end. And we can probably do an else if here. We'll quickly do an else here. So this whole thing we need across multiple here. Okay, now we want to switch this to finished. I don't want start. Why can't I just read the one on there? And this is for the if this is active, but this is deactivated, but it's achieved. Probably should have and here, then this. Yeah, this is if in dialogue, if not in dialogue. And then this will be, if neither of these two are matched, which will be in neither of these two if statements match, which will be in dialogue, and, current page equals quest.length. Then dialogue to print equals null. Nervous if I will be tired for dev session today. Wait to see how I feel later. Yeah. To be honest, I'm fairly tired today, so I may not go for longer than 3 hours as per usual today. So that way I can relax between today's stream. What this is?
Take that, depression!
It's a Has Been Hotel reference. You'll see the moment when you watch it, Tim. It's amazing, the moment. And very relatable.
Take that, depression!
It's a Has Been Hotel reference, Ghost. Okay, there we go. Yes, I won't say the moment because I know quite a lot of people haven't watched it and they'll give spoilers and stuff. That line doesn't give any spoilers, but it, you know, the stuff surrounding the character would. Oh wait, I forgot to put not in marker and these. Yeah. So, just curious for those that know, might know what they're looking at. Does this look alright for a whole dialogue to print quest thing? So basically, I'll give a rundown of just this one here. It's all good. So this one is checking if the quest is active. And then if the quest is achieved, then it checks if it's in dialogue. If it is, add 1 to the page number, because I'm looking at a system where I may have multiple pages, and I need to edit this a little bit further. This is C# with a Unity twist to it. So yeah, then it checks if it's not in dialogue, and again not matching, not the last page. And then it'll do a else statement at the end. And it's kind of like, there's 3 versions of this. One for the middle of the quest, one for the end of the quest, and one for the start of the quest. Huh? What? Thank you so much for the tier 1 sub, Dad. Welcome to stream. How are you? Dad, you now apparently dead. And it begins. Tim, you're not gonna live this down for a day or two knowing how things go. Yeah. Okay, so I have that roughly. Right, what I'm gonna add to the interactable script is a
Dicks!
frickin' who's up to shit? Public ball, and we're going to call this in bio. I need to implement this now. Right, what we need here is return that. Yeah, there's none here, Dad, unfortunately. Keep saying quackers. Tim, I think it was like a dare or something. So I called Tim's bluff and went through with it. Unfortunately, none of the monsters, as far as I can tell, are here. Store it for later, Tim. Yeah, currently none of the mods, as far as I can tell, are hiding in the chat. Thanks for that, Dad. I do need to stretch my legs, so I'll be back in a moment, and then I'll start the timer. Oh wait, I forgot that doing Alt and number pads. Number does that. So actually be right back.
We play gloopy music.
This is a bucket.
Dear God.
There's more.
No.
Ghost, are you confusing dead?
I'm going to have to put on my fucking double seeing glasses because I can't even begin
Who
to
did
see
that?
the amount of bullshit coming from you.
Thanks for the 10 millies dead. Oh no, not
Spam?
again. Thanks for the 100 billies dead. I really do appreciate it. Right, so we've got the return in dialogue here. We need to do a little bit of control around here. So all of this here, we need to do... First we need to store an interface. Which first we need to customize this to have one up here. My brain genuinely stopped working for a moment there. Not again.
I am still confused. What is Flompy music? For that
So
matter,
much dead.
what is Gloopy and Glummy music?
Right, so... What I need to do is create a new variable near the bottom of here. Okay, so we have this here now. So that's interactable in range. Nothing I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that there is a tag in here for interactables. Oh, what's that? When driving in free roam, I'm a horrible driver. In a race, I'm focused and that's funny. Okay, that's all of that. Okay, that's there. This is half experimentation for me right here. But if I manage to do it, then great. Yes. Also, do you like these eggs here, Dad? By painted in substance painter. That one's extra shiny. But this one here, I can give it random colors. Nah, Tim. You do cheer properly. You'll cheer properly. Right, so I need this to say that. That is a very odd question. I guess it suits the name Gloopy Music. Right, so... So, in dialogue, okay. Wait, hold on. Hello. Oh no. I've got a feeling I don't want to.
Bomb has been planted. Um, 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 um.
The fact that you know how to do this, Dad. It broke! It genuinely broke! It's just like, nah. But again, thank you, Dad. Wait, do what stuff? Yeah.
My sprinkler goes like this and comes back like.
Dead, why so many? You don't need to do that many biddies. I appreciate it, but you don't need to do that many. Ah. It's the way the text-to-speech reads this. Wait, hold on. Instead of and, I'll do an or. So, like, this is gonna check if this equals null, or it's in dialogue.
Rice cookers go wow ow 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 ow. Don't tell me what to do.
Why even more now, then? Don't use that then.
Jack no 11 hype Jack no 11 hype Jack no 11 hype Jack no 11 hype.
You've almost caused the hype train. That's how wild you've been going with stuff. I really appreciate this. Yeah, you are. It's literally waiting for one more thing, I think, before it starts a hype train. And there's about 4 minutes before it cancels out.
Hypertrain conductor has arrived.
Damn it, I'm gonna have to get something for 1k biddies. Jesus, thank you, Dad, so much. Wait, no, hold on. It's not about it being close, but it hasn't triggered just yet. Oh my god. Wait, no, you haven't. Damn it! I'm gonna have to send a new one now. Hey, Jimmy boy! Welcome, and thank you so much, Dad, for another 5 gifted subs, which, has gone to Britannia, Jimmy Boy, Elo, Tolk, and Lurker. Thank you so much. Maybe it does have to be a unique person. To trigger the last stage of the hype train. I don't fully know how they work. I'll look into it later. If I remember to. Okay, so that's if that's fair. Wait, no, that doesn't have to be an or. That's a and. Right, no, this one needs to make sure that it's not, does not equal null and that. Then we have an else if. Yeah. Jimmy Boy, do you know what triggers it hype trains fully? Because it's that one last tick. And Dead's evil-eyeing it. Else if interactable in range. As in 3 minutes, everyone.
It's wizard time, motherfucker!
Good night, girls.
Fireball!
Also, who's doing Fireball? We ain't trying to incinerate the place. Thanks, Alex. Right, interacts while in range. Still not doing it.
Deadman Revival. I cast Smite upon the hype train if it doesn't go.
Yeah, no, it's just not going, it seems. It's about to cancel out in a second. But still, I appreciate it all. Right, yeah, I'm gonna need to figure out some stuff. Who's doing it?
I have something to say.
Thanks, Dad.
That is all.
Wait, I don't need that there. Why is that there twice? I shouldn't. Fucking. That wasn't actually my part of the thing. In dialogue. Okay, there we go. We've got that there, and then we want to do an else. So basically, if all of this is null, maybe. I have no idea, to be honest. I suppose I better set another goal. I still really appreciate all of this.
Privet, это nasze яблоко.
There we go. New one. We've hit 2 sub goals in this one stream. And you've unlocked a brand, because you've hit 20, you guys have hit 20, you've unlocked another tier 1 sub and another bonus animated.
Nihongo de yomuhoga suchi desu totimo kano shi desu.
Hold on, give me a sec. Wait, did that read that in the right language? My brain just clicked seeing that. Because if it did, TTS is more powerful than I thought. Right, I'm not sure what I'm going to stick with this else if, so for now I'm going to put return. Oh wait, I know what I need to do. You know, freeze. Input from script. Wait, who's done what? It just died. Dead, you've killed it. Thanks so much for 100 biddies again. You've almost caused another hype train. It's taunting you now, Dead.
We, baguette, test.
Well, let me see if there's a flipping... I need to check if there's another thing in the emotes.
Watashi wa, katsute kurute imashi dakarera wa watashi o heian itoji gome mashita, gomusu no heia nezumito nezumi ga iru gomusu no heia wa watashi o, kuruwase masu kureji? Watashi wa, katsute kurute.
Oh god. That works. I think I need to get one of those language converter bots. Right, okay, so what I need to figure out is to lock the cinema machine. Thanks for the one, Alex. My brain's frying right now. Ah. He's out, late update, fixed update. Where's the cinema machine brain itself? Not the brain, the main cinema machine. Default, ignore tag player. Default. Think that's okay. Oh no. I'm gonna regret this. Damn it, the rubber room. Should have actually taken the hint from Tim's last message. Oh, now what are you doing?
Adnaj diabil sumash shetchem. Anis abirli minov comnity. Rezina via comnita. Rezina via comnitus chrismi e chrismis vodit mina suma. Sumash shechi?
Yes, it
Adnaj
is.
diabil sumash shetchem. Anis abirli minov.
You're having too much fun with this. For context, if anyone knows the rubber room meme, that's exactly what that is doing right now. Need to raise this up. My brain's getting distracted again. As per friggin' usual.
I was crazy once. They locked me in a room. Rubber room. The rubber room with rats and rats drives me crazy. Crazy? I was crazy once. They locked me in a room. Rubber room. The rubber room with rats and rats drives me crazy.
Do I need to smoothen this out? Also, I think I did a Unity version upgrade at some point. Which I think some things have updates in general. Thanks, Ed, for another 100. I'm over hundreds, so it's fine, Tim. I appreciate everything everyone's done today, which is too many things for me to list off. And plus, Tim, you're a sneaky little gremlin with the shenanigan you got up to on Monday. Okay, there we go. Those are updated. Yeah, I think I may have to sculpt this a little bit, just to, you know.
How much wood could a woodchuck chuck? If a woodchuck could chuck Chuck Norris.
Why so many dead? In fact, to be honest, looking at the list I saw, I'm pretty sure you might be the only one who's currently sat on the 5k right now. For the bits tiers. You're set 2k on the goal at the top. But I have one viewer marked as... one person marked as 5k, and I think that might be you at this point. Yeah, you've got Cheer 5,000 as your as a badge you can put as visible on your thing. For this chat.
It depends on how much wood a woodchuck chucked before the woodchuck tried to chuck Chuck Norris. Because when the woodchuck tried to chuck Chuck Norris chucked the woodchuck.
Oh no, what are you...
Krazi? Ikratka you os krazi yunsi. Tje logt me narum. Arbaroam.
One sec, everyone, while I quickly do
me
search.
krazi. This might sound weird, I think I did it wrong lol.
Is it another crazy one? Yeah, Tim, I think you did it wrong. Everything's confused about it.
Crazy? Why use crossy yunzi? The locked me in a riam. A rubber room. You rats. Tell my make me crazy.
Right. I need to figure out how to lock this. We'll play a follow camera. Aim is do nothing. Noise. It's round robin for its whole circular spinny. Go for it, Dad. Today's crazy enough as it is. That's volume settings. I'm not sure where I actually control this.
What do you do when Don and Jack are stuck on a roof?
Oh no. What is it? Is it gonna say it? No, it doesn't want to say. Frick. Yeah, it's like 9 doing this one. I need to try and figure out this in the machine part here. I'm not aware of what I'm looking for. Ah, frick, my... What I may end up doing... Collider confiner, follow zoom, perfect. Storyboard, Hey Bar Interactive! Thank you so much for the raid. How are you? Welcome to stream. Let me quickly give you a shout out. How are you? How was stream? Welcome everyone to stream. My name's Jack5. I'm a variety game streamer and a aspiring indie game developer. Ah, you were doing software.
If we could find a way to make it so Twitch chat could see the map.
Dumb ways to die.
Who did that?
Many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die.
Thanks, Alex.
By the psycho killer
Everyone go
inside.
check Bar Interactive out. B, how was stream? And welcome on in, everyone. Easy. Yeah. What were you working on, if you don't mind me asking? Currently, I'm trying to figure out how to freeze a cinema machine brain, which I may have to dig up an older project. to double check because this is the first time in a while I've been working with it. Oh no. Technically, Tim is at home right now. He works. Tim's a remote worker, so it'll be fine. I mean. Yeah, I'll give Athena a treat right now. I was working on.
Take that, depression!
Thanks, Dad. I was working on a game, Data Drift. I've been hacking the shader graph to make it work with our proprietary shades. Oh, okay. Athena. 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 Hey. Athena. Alex got something for you. Oh, now you wake up. Now I mentioned Alex's name.
Hello there.
Thank you so much for the follow. Frick. Cinema machine. Is that one I'm after? I need to double check if it's a component. So I'm hosting a multimedia jam for Easter that's been about 2 months long. Ends on the 31st UK at midnight UK time. And so I'm working on a little Easter game jam project for that, where I'm trying out new things. So I've got things like the spline here. First I'm using abstractor classes today. Or this project I mean. So I'm just hosting a little fun thing for the community to do. It's re-imported all of them when I updated it. Shove all of that in there. Okay, fine, I'll leave that. It's not gonna let me say ignore on this, is it? Nope. Pending changes. Assets. I'm looking for it'll be down here actually. Nothing but my assets. That project's loaded in the background so I can ransack it. This one. It's not letting me do that. I don't have a Steam, thanks Ed, any Steam pages set up at the minute. I need to deselect them all. Add to ignore list. Yeah, I use Game Jolt and Itch for mine at the minute. Because I don't have the funds to go setting up Steam pages. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. Yeah. So, like, with all my projects, especially being in the prototype state, I'm very happy sticking with Itch and stuff for now. But so the reason why I've come to this project is that this was a project I worked out with a friend how to override cinema machines and stuff for when I was doing game development as part of a college course here in the UK. So it's got some experimental stuff from back when we didn't know what we were doing with some of it. It's not that one. This one here. Okay, so that's where that one comes in. Now the problem with this is I don't see a way I can disable this. Because this is how you override Cinema Machine apparently for the new input system. However, maybe there is a way. Looking at the enable tick. Because I can't remember where the whole movement stuff is coming from for round robin. Because one of the problems why I struggle sometimes with the game development stuff is that when I was on the course, there were a lot of decent amount of companies going Fall Guys at games like Fortnite, Fall Guys, Warzone, all those different types of games were rather popular at the time. So with that looking like the way the industry was heading, not the teachers, but the course curriculum in the background itself that the teachers had to do was pushing more towards the party type games. So there wasn't a whole lot of teaching the Yep, I'll switch to my OG model. There wasn't a whole lot of teaching for if you were going to do a small indie start to finish type title. So part of what's been putting me off, that's been hitting me hard, is sitting down and learning that. Because I procrastinate way too much because the joys of the tism brain. I hit a wall, and sometimes if I can't find, if I struggle finding the answer, my brain just switches off for a while. And even once I found the answer, it can take me a long time to get back into it. So, like for example, recently I just, about 2 weeks ago, I dug up abstract classes as a potential thing. As in 3 minutes, everyone. So now that's the way I'm going forward with the quests themselves. So that way I can have like a quest manager that reacts to the classes of quest and feed them all through there. like a interface. I need to set that timer up. So I'm very much still an amateur, but doing my best. Right. So yeah, that is referencing this here. This. Guessing that's scriptable object. Hmm. Right. So right now I'm doing a little bit of digging around, finding stuff. Okay, first I'm gonna double check what I'm using. Let's discard the changes there. See you, Tim. I hope the rest of the work goes well. Okay, so... But yeah, that's just a little background on me going from college into solo Gremlin shenanigans. Huh. Also, with my development shenanigans, I'm open to anything. Oh yeah, ads. My brain just forgot. Yeah. Gonna quickly do that. Right, brain. Need to refocus a little bit. So, you know what I'd be better off doing? I just realized. Use body, use aimed, how to rotate it, virtual camera, follow, look at. So this is what I'm nosing at now. There, orbital transporter. Also, I'm wondering why they're changing website altogether for the two things. Huh, I'm gonna click that. Okay. What's impulse? Generates and manages camera shake in response to game events. Okay. Can use impulse to make the machine virtual camera shake when one game object collides with another, or when something in your scene explodes. Impulse source, a component that emits a signal that originates at a point in space and propagates outwards, much like a sound. Oh, that's interesting. Huh. I'm just gonna sniff all his components. This is where my shiny brain comes in. I've seen shiny things, so I'm now being nosy. Nah, that's not existing there. Unless it is, and I forgot that I need. Yeah, there. Cinemachine impulse source. Anyway, we're not after that. Some Cinemachine components, e.g. Free-Look, POV, and Orbital Transporter, require user input to position or orientate the camera. By default, Cinemachine gets user input by using standard Unity input.axis name. When alternative input systems are used in a project, this default behavior must be overridden so that the input is obtained from the appropriate source. Cinemachine has defined that an interface, Cinemachine axis, if a model behavior implementing this interface is added to a virtual camera or free look, then it will be queried for input instead of a standard input system. Cinemachine ships with an example of such behavior that uses the new Unity engine input package. Provided. Is it going to be a. Would help if it didn't. And. Okay, so. So that's a player index X and Y. Let's look at the scripting API. That's for track. Free look, look ahead. It's a machine. Axis state property applied to the axis state. Cinemachine blend describes blend between the two. Property applied to Cinemachine blend definition used for custom drawing in the inspector. So that one I'm guessing is for if I change the thing where it's following. Property there, blender settings. The machine clear shot, collider, dolly cart, external camera, back signal, full zoom, framing, pre-lock. I'll keep scrolling. Because if I can feed in my own input into it without using the certain things, I'll be happy. But right now my head's hurting trying to find all these. This looks more what I'm after. XE states that for defining how to react to player input. The setting here control the responsiveness of the axes to player input, so I'm guessing maybe the sensitivity. Alternative to axes state, simplified structure to hold the definition of. Let's go to that for now. Plus M value. So this is a non-simplified version. Interface axes, yeah, axes fit in 32s. That says guessing value. Value of input axes, a value of 0 means no input. You can drive this directly from a custom input system, or you can set the name of the axe's name and have the value driven by the internal input manager. Value of input. This is a whole study thing I've got to do. So all I want to do is lock out the player input to it. Sorry about that. EP brain. Yeah, input axes, get axes custom. Okay, I might try this. So what I've ended up digging up, please, frick, it doesn't look. Yes, thanks for the stretch. This might work. Is someone's posted this on the Unity forums as a potential method. I'm thinking this may be possible. So it seems that they have a seems that they have a float, public float type method that stores a string for the axe's name. So these are two methods they've done. I might keep looking, but that's an idea that they've gone for. That was like 2015. It's probably simpler now. I'll try and ransack the document. Can I please dock this? No, just dock it. One problem with Opera GX, you can't move things between two different browsers instances. Nope, that doesn't exist. Didn't mean to put the emoji there by accident. Or wait, no, I've done that wrong. Yeah, probably is. I'm open to ideas. I just haven't messed around with this for over a year. Yeah, because that isn't showing up anything. What's an int? Yeah, that's fair. I'm gonna quickly do something. My assets. Crap, where's the player thing? Because I may have to do something I'm not going to be too happy about doing. Now there is an unlock. Hold on. How is this doing unlock? I'm nosy about that. Because I used as a template the the third person stuff. Right, unlock. Something's going on in here that I missed. When I'm actually done, I've only just noticed that here. This saves so much issues. For what I'm trying to do. Right, where is this being called from? There, late update. But instead, put that here, put that here. That saves one whole problem right there. Oh, because of this sneaky thing. Well, to be honest, I didn't notice it. So what is this doing? Don't look. I don't need to really mess with this. Is there sensitivity input on this? Player. Brain's going blind again. Sprints, move, rotation, smooth landing, footsteps, gravity, jump, gravity. There is no sensitivity. Okay. So that's this here. So this is what it's doing in cell straight up delta time multiplier. Okay, so what I can do up here is I can add in a serialized don't like how many of these are just public. They're as bad as brackies on the publics. See, I'm gonna throw in a sensitivity thing here. Maybe this one does need to be public. No, I'll do something else, like I did for my other game. For my main game. Probably botch for spelling, but screw it. Just gonna do something so I can do these at the exact same time. Sensitivity up here should be set to 0. Let's see if this works, because I haven't messed with any of the camera stuff. Where is it? There's something in there. That's for change rates, for smooth time. Oh, never mind. How do they have as a slider? I'm nosy now. Let's undo this. Probably should have read that. Just undo it, please. Thanks. Oh, they set a range. That's how you get your sliders. That's fair. Anything else sneaky in here they've got? Layers are normal to have a drop down. As far as I'm aware. Sorry, nosiness has gone the better with me and I need to take a sniff to see if there's anything I'm missing. No, that's normal. So, frick. I did not mean to close that. So if that's that, let's try setting that to 0. See what happens. It still does stuff. I'm just gonna redo this. I don't need egg hunt twice. Why does it go twice? Nope. Right, let's redo this. No, I'm gonna leave out till later. Isn't brain be going wild right now? Okay, let's try that. Okay, that's locked up there. So I can probably do the whole range thing, right? Oh, I'm stealing now. Stealing from stuff I've just learned. And no, it's not stealing, it's just learning and using. But still, Gremlin shenanigans. Let's say the range is somewhere between 0 and 5. No, 0 and 3. How did it do it? Range, parentheses, 0 and 3. There we go. Let's try this. Because I'm nosy. Did the new... Yes, it has. Hee. Probably should change that to a float thinking about it. So if I give the players on their sensitivity bar the wrong side of that between 0 and 3, I can read that value from the game settings and feed it into here. Okay, there we go. What time is it? I'm probably gonna wrap up. Hold on. Snooze them. Hopefully I caught them in time. I think I'm gonna wrap up stream here. EP Brain's taking over, and I need a little downtime. Let's see. Let's go say hi to EXO. Righty. Thank you everyone so much for joining me today. I really appreciate you all. If you're watching this on YouTube, thank you for watching. I shall see you all next time. So yeah, there's all of my there's my link tree there you can find all of my stuff, including my Discord server, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, game pages. All those things are in there. So feel free to go sniff them out. But yeah, so tomorrow I will be live with We Happy Few, permadeath mode, Act 2, Nightmares Fuel. So yeah, I'll be playing that tomorrow. With that being said, I'm going to set up the raid. We do have a raid message. The Gremlins have escaped. That's not what I wanted. Coffee's like, hey, check this out as I do it. Hold on, let me quickly put it out so it's underneath that. So yeah, feel free to use the raid message as we go say hi to Exo Drifter. I'm gonna keep working on this off stream, just brains melted now. But yeah, I'll be holding a dev session later in the server where we can all just hang out and work on our projects. Yeah, thank you everyone so much for watching. I shall be live tomorrow for We Happy Few, and I shall see you all next time. See ya!